Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will review Coolpad Note 5 smartphone. In the box, you get the phone itself along with a SIM ejector tool, a charging adapter, charging cable, earphones, a screen guard, and some documentation. Now let's talk about its design. It features full metal chassis with matte finish on the back. The chrome finish lining running along the edges makes it look very elegant. Above the display, you get an 8 megapixel front facing camera along with front LED flash, earpiece, and sensors. There are 3 touch navigation buttons below the screen. The volume buttons are on the left. The power button along with hybrid SIM card tray is placed on the right edge. Bottom edge houses charging port and primary mic. On the back, you get a 13 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, secondary mic, fingerprint sensor, Coolpad branding, and speaker grill. Overall design and build quality of the phone are good. On the front, it features a 5.5-inch Full HD IPS 2.5D curved glass display with 1080p resolution and 401 ppi pixel density. The viewing angles of the screen are good, sunlight legibility is decent, and the colors are vibrant and sharp. Moving on to camera department, the Coolpad Note 5 sports a 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, autofocus, f2.2 aperture, and CMOS sensor. There is also an 8 megapixel front facing camera with LED flash that helps capturing great selfies even in low lighting conditions. Both front and rear cameras take good shots in well lit as well as low lighting conditions. The detailing and clarity of the images are also good. Next is hardware and performance, which is another area where the Coolpad Note 5 shines. Under the hood, it packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 617 SoC paired with Adreno 405 GPU and massive 4GB of RAM. Carrying a price tag of Rs 10,999, the Note 5 is currently the most affordable smartphone with 4GB of RAM. The phone houses 32GB of internal memory and supports expandable storage up to 64GB using microSD card. On testing it on Antutu benchmarks, we got score of around 46,600 points. Gaming and multitasking are fairly good, and we played a few games like Frontline Commando 2 on this phone, and we did not face any major lags, stutters, or heating issues. This phone packs a huge 4010 mAh battery and supports fast charging. As for battery life, it easily survives for a day on single charge. On the software front, it runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow with CoolUI 8.0. The interface is smooth and engaging and offers a lot of customization options. It comes with a dual apps feature that lets users run dual accounts for apps like WhatsApp and Facebook on the same phone at the same time. It supports USB OTG, allowing you to watch movies and videos directly using pendrive without transferring them. It can also be used as a backup storage option. It features a fingerprint scanner on the back for enhanced security. It unlocks the phone accurately and quickly and comes with gesture shortcuts as well. The Coolpad Note 5 is a very impressive smartphone that offers large vibrant display, premium design, powerful configuration, decent camera combination, huge battery, fast fingerprint sensor, and more. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.